In this section, we're going to talk about how to set up your QuickBooks Online account once you've passed the purchase screen. So once you've put in an email address, a phone number, a password, and given them your credit card number, then you'll come to this screen. So they want to know your legal business name. So we're going to add that. This is what we'll pre-fill on forms in your QuickBooks. So think carefully about how you're typing that. Use proper capitalization and your complete business name. The next question they're going to ask is, what type of industry is your business? This is going to help QuickBooks give you a chart of accounts to start out with. We will be talking much more about chart of accounts in an upcoming section. So I'm going to choose consulting for this particular type of business. And if you have been using QuickBooks Desktop and you would like to import it into your QuickBooks Online account, then check mark this. We're not going to discuss that option in this training section. Now, it's asking me, what would I like to do in QuickBooks? Yes, I want to send and track invoices. Yes, I want to organize my expenses. If I have inventory, I'm going to want to choose Manage Your Inventory. If I'm a retail type business, I'm going to want to track my retail sales, and this is a marketing consulting business, so I'm not choosing to have inventory, and I'm not choosing to track retail sales because you wouldn't do that in this type of business. And yes, I want to track my bills, and if I collect sales tax, I need to check mark Track Sales Tax. And if I'm going to pay employees through QuickBooks using Intuit Payroll Services, then I want to choose that. And if I am doing that, then I can also track hours. So for this marketing consulting business, the only thing I'm going to be tracking is invoices and expenses and my bills. There are places in QuickBooks to add these additional uses if later you determine you should have picked one of these. Then I'm going to say next, and it asks me if I want a free trial of QuickBooks Online Payroll. I'm going to say maybe later, and next. And then what is my role of the business? In this particular case, I'm going to choose owner. And do you have an accountant or bookkeeper right now? You can say yes, someone who helps me. No, but I'd like to. Then they will try to sell you some of their services. Or no, I do it all myself. So yes, if someone helps you. No, if you would like to hear more about the services that they offer. Or no, if you're going to plan to do it all yourself. And then, how do you want to track income and expenses? You can link your bank and credit card accounts, which we will be talking more about later in the banking section. So for now, I'm going to say manually add. If you say automatically link your accounts, then it's going to spin you to a screen to set that up with your bank. So you would choose your bank here and follow the prompts. We're not going to do that for now because this is just a simple sample company which we aren't really going to link a bank account to. And if you want to track time for employees, you can try T-Sheets for free, but eventually they will charge you for that. So here you are. You're up and running. The first part of setting up your QuickBooks is completed. But stay tuned, there's much more to come.